What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So it is a pretty nice day actually. You guys can't tell. It was raining all of yesterday, but today's gonna be nice out. So we're gonna take advantage of that. My boy Justin, if you guys remember him, it's been a while since he's been in one of my videos. He has a great 435, which sounds absolutely insane. So we'll probably get to hear a little later, but he needs to change his spark plugs, so I told him to come through. We'll do it over here. Normally we work inside the courtyard, but in the interest of time, we actually might work on it outside where the 330i is sitting right now. Now, if you guys watched my last video, I mentioned that this car is kind of broken. That's not clickbait or anything. It really is. Unfortunately, there's an issue, which I'm hoping is a small issue, but the nice thing is this time around, it's drivable. For now, I'm gonna pull the car out, park it somewhere, so that way Justin can come and pull in, and then we can change the spark plugs and hopefully maybe take his 435 for a drive. I don't even want to drive it. I just want to hear it. But anyways, there's Justin. By the way, you know what's funny? You know how JD's been in my videos? I keep on accidentally calling him Justin.
I've seen that in the video.
yeah. It's because I know you as like the 435 guy now.
I'm the original.
Yeah, you're the original.
I'm back on the channel, but don't worry.
That's true. Yeah, it's been a while since the last video that you're in was when we did the lowering springs for the 3 Series. Yeah. That was a while, bro.
That was a while ago.
That was a struggle. I never want to do that again.
You left me, guys.
Shut up. This kid talks about he was supposed to be here at 8 a.m. It is now 9:53. Well, actually, no, we've been talking the last 10 minutes,
Don't
but
blame everything
9:40. But yeah, anyways, so we're gonna install spark plugs for the 435, which should be pretty easy. So if you guys haven't installed spark plugs before, I think I made a whole video about it, but just high level, we just got to take off these cowls. Is that what they call it, right? Cowls. These things right over here. I don't know. Maybe it's called something else. Just so we can, could you say cow lips?
That's what I'm saying, like cow lips.
Sure. Whatever you say, Justin. I'm going to start calling you JD. Just,
oh my God.
Whatever you say, JD. No, you got to take those off so we can reach the 2 spark plugs. Yeah, Justin's going to get started. So we'll get, or actually, if you want to start on the front ones, I'll start taking those cowls off.
Oh, let me get the
thing.
Cows?
Oh, yeah.
Let me show you guys. This is where I learned it. I learned it from this guy right here.
Yeah, and I learned it from Brian. I don't take credit for any of this.
Put it right here. Careful, might be too far. Boom.
There you go.
Easy peasy. You gotta disconnect.
Yeah, you gotta unconnect the clip.
Don't forget.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, super easy. And then we need, I think I already started setting this up. Need a ratchet. You need, I'll leave links for like all these tools, by the way. Need a, I forget, 16 point. I'm like forgetting the names. It's early, guys. I haven't been sleeping, man. I have a newborn baby. These are just 10 mils that hold those on. Super easy to take those off. So see if I can find a 10 mil. Yeah, let's just.
We should be fine.
Yeah, it's Justin's car. If anything goes wrong, it's his problem. That's one. Some of the easiest stuff to do on these cars. Honestly, bro, maintenance is not as hard as people think. And that's honestly what I like. A lot of people watch my videos. They're like, man, like, I didn't realize how easy it was because an idiot like you can do it. So I'm confident doing it myself. But no, like, it's actually really not that hard. I'll put this right over here. Afterwards, by the way, you got to take me for a drive in this thing. Just so we can hear it. It's like around the block, nothing crazy. Because you're straight piped?
No, I'm actually no muffler and just catless. I still have a resonator.
I think we got to take off. We got to take this thing off. You mind taking off that other side for me? Thank you. I'm trying to do this with one hand in film, which is not the most practical way of doing things, but you know, so we get some good content.
You used to hire me as a cameraman, you know? Like,
bro, legit, honestly, Justin's helped me a lot with filming. When he helped me with the springs, I'll give you credit, bro. That was clutch. Like, well, we did a lot of stuff for your car too. Yeah. Yo, actually, this is a fun story. Before buying this house, I lived in a condo, which if you guys are OGs to the channel, you'll remember I used to like film in a parking lot. Like I used to mod my car in the middle of a parking lot. And what you guys didn't used to see behind the camera was I'd have my neighbors walking by, like these older people, and just like staring at me like, what is this kid doing? God. Because not only was I like modifying my cars, I was filming myself. Like I had like a camera and a tripod. Like it looked really funny. Now at least it's a little more private here, but it's New York. We're still on top of each other, but still, it was like bad.
Guys, I used to roll into this parking lot, right? Park up, and they'll think like I'm a drug dealer or something.
Bro,
like,
facts. This kid used to come up. Yo, remember when the cops?
Oh
bro, that was. All right, we won't say that story. We'll
That's a
save
whole
some.
different time. That's a whole different
But yeah, I'll tell you this one. This guy came. He used to come over. So I used to work on my own cars. He used to come over, and we used to work on his cars. We once changed his oil in the middle of the parking lot. He brought. Was it your race ramps or was it mine? I think it was yours, right?
Yeah, I think it was mine.
It was yours. Yeah, he brought his race ramps, and we put his car up on race ramps and literally changed his oil at like, bro, it was like midnight, right?
Yeah.
It wasn't even during the day. It was like the middle of the night in the parking lot of my condo. My neighbors probably didn't like me. Oh, man. And I also used to take up a lot of parking spots, too, because at the time, like, I had 3 cars still. So, yeah, good times. Hey, man, you do what you got to do.
Good times.
Yeah, you do what you got to do. I wish I had, like, a nice garage. That's going to be the next goal. Get, like, a nice 2-car garage, but it's just tough in New York, man.
Nah, yeah, New York is good luck with that.
Yeah, I'm thankful for what I have here. Like, a lot of people watch my videos, bro, and they're like, you have a G80 M3, but you live in like a bummy house. I'm like, bro, this is like $1 million house. Like, this, it's just New York, unfortunately. That's just what we deal with. Quick update. So we got those back pieces off. I worked on that. You guys can see that over there. But anyways, not too bad. Justin's been working. What happened?
This one's burnt.
No, it's not too bad.
No?
Yeah, it's really not that bad. I mean, that's just normal. Like, you're not gonna, like, I've seen way worse.
Oh,
But since you're tuned, you know, it's best that you
E85, man.
E85.
I'm on
Fancy guy.
It's cheaper. That's the reason. Nothing
Yeah.
else.
That's a valid reason. But yeah, anyways, so Justin's been killing it. He's been going through all the spark plugs. He got all of them pretty much in at this point, right? How many more do you have left? Just one?
One now.
One now?
Yeah.
And then we just have to torque them down. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna keep on going. I feel like the rest of the stuff isn't gonna be too interesting. We're gonna torque down the spark plugs. Then we're gonna put everything back together. And then hopefully the next clip that you guys see will just be us going for a drive because I want to hear how this thing sounds. But yeah, anyways, until the next clip. All right, guys, so another quick update. We pretty much finished. Finished spark plugs, put everything back, and we're good to go. I swear this time, by the way, I did more because I wasn't filming. That's why I stopped filming. But anyways, let's hear this thing. Sheesh. Dude, this thing sounds crazy.
Traction struggling here.
Traction left the game. But it sounds good, man. I really don't like. I'm not trying to.
Yo,
Bro, what? What?
nah.
You guys didn't see that.
I got dash cam footage. Don't worry.
You actually, yeah.
Yeah,
If you can
that's
get that
insane.
dash cam footage, please. I'll actually throw that in the video.
Yeah, that was.
Stay tuned to the end of the video to see that. We'll make that the end,
That
the end
lady
card.
was
That was a lady?
Yeah, that's the lady behind us. The stop sign.
Bro, what? It was a downshift. Yeah. It's definitely loud. Dude, this thing sounds good.
That's fun. Yeah.
All right, so catless downpipe, no muffler, but a resonator.
Yep.
That's all you need to make your N55 sound good. Isn't that crazy, man? Oh, by the way, all right, I know I've been talking about this, saying I have an exhaust for the M3 and I haven't done a video yet. Guys, I swear it's because the weather sucked. It's like, it just rains and then it snows and then it's nice. And then when it's nice, my wife is like, this is the only nice day in the week. Let's actually do something. So like, it's tough, but I swear once the weather is nicer, I'm going to put that exhaust on the M3. And that'll make like vlogs and stuff more fun because my car kind of sounds like a hybrid right now.
Yeah, it's been.
Don't say yeah. Don't agree to that.
Sounds like a vacuum. It's bad. You gotta wake up the beast.
On that note, guys, please drop this video a like, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll drop Justin's TikTok.
Yes, sir.
Peace. You're supposed to hit it.
I hit
This
it.
guy.
I hit it. I hit the peace sign. What was that? Oh, I hit that.
Oh, you hit the thing, bro. Be
No.
careful.
I didn't even notice.
Did you feel that? How bad was that?
I just seen it. I'm like, was that my engine or something? And then
No, yeah,
it was
that's the terminal right there.
Yo.
Yeah, be careful. So some people wrap it with a rag. We're kind of ghetto.
I hope you caught that on video.
It was on video.
Really?
Yeah, that's how I'm gonna open up the video. Or, you know what? I'll leave that for the end card. I've been trying to do that more like after like when the video ends. Yeah, just yeah.
All in mind if you don't listen that much. Send me